Question number 11. The function f of x is equals to 85 over x models the volume of gas in a balloon under x unit of pressure at a constant temperature, which best describes the domain of f of x. Okay, well, in this case we do have a rational function. One thing that we need to remember when we work with rational function is that it's given by f of x is equals to, we can say, g of x over h of x, where g of x and h of x are polynomials. Now, unlike other functions like linear and quadratic and polynomials, rational functions have some restriction, meaning that we cannot put everything that we want because the denominator cannot be zero, our restriction. So the first thing that we want to make sure that is this denominator. Let me write the function f of x is equals to 85 over x. This denominator cannot equals to 0. So based on the given information, the only thing that can make this 0 is when x is 0. So we know that x cannot be 0 is one of the domain. Now, the other thing that we need to remember here is x is a unit pressure at a constant temperature. So in this case, if x is a pressure, then we don't have negative pressure inside the balloon, meaning that all the negative values would be excluded as well. So the only thing left is x is all the positive values, which is x is greater than 0. I'm not going to put the equal sign here because if I put x equals to 0, then this will be undefined. So our answer would be all possible values of x where x is greater than 0. So the correct answer would be C. And this completes the problem. Something that I want to remind you about rational functions is we have to read the problem beside answering the denominator, because in this case, if we didn't know what the values of the pressure would be, then it could have been negative values too, because negative values doesn't really make these functions undefined, but it doesn't work with our problem in this case, and that completes the problem. All right.